I have discovered a new method for generating passive income through the use of AI. Are you ready to boost your passive income? Discover how Profitability Plus can help you make over $2,500 in passive income with our proven Amazon KDP strategies. No fluff, just results. At Profitability Plus, we're all about making your business goals a reality. Our Amazon KDP success story speaks volumes. We embarked on a journey to harness the power of AI and market intelligence to transform passive income potential. Imagine other stores using clever tools like AI. They explored, found new areas, and discovered successful products. Other entrepreneurs' stories and strategies are here to guide you too. Our proven methods lead from initial ideas to creating pro products for passive income. Let's dive into practical strategies for a smooth Amazon start. Number 1. Choose a topic that's not overcrowded. Selecting a topic that isn't overly popular is like picking a unique dish at a crowded buffet. If everyone's rushing for the same dish, why not go for something different that stands out? By opting for a less saturated topic, you increase your chances of getting noticed and capturing your readers' interest. Keep in mind, just like picking the right ingredients for your recipe, choosing the right topic is crucial for your book's success. When you're deciding on a topic, think about what sets your book apart from the rest. Imagine you're a chef creating a new dish. You want to offer a unique flavor that stands out from the usual options. Avoiding overly crowded topics is like choosing fresh ingredients that make your creation stand out on the buffet table. Number 2. Learn from your competitors. Studying your competitors is like watching how other players in a game are winning. In the world of books, it means looking at authors who are doing well and figuring out their winning strategies. Understanding their writing style, cover designs, and how they present their content can give you valuable insights to create your own successful book. Think of it as learning from the best to become the best. Think of your competitors as seasoned chefs in a cooking competition. Observing their techniques, flavors, and presentation helps you learn the secret ingredients that make their dishes so appealing. Similarly, understanding successful authors' methods can provide you with inspiration to enhance your book's appeal and make it a reader favorite. Number 3. Grab attention with your book cover. Imagine your book cover as the flashy signboard outside a restaurant. If it doesn't look appealing, people might just walk past without even stepping in. Your cover is your first impression, and first impressions matter. A well-designed cover that matches your book's content is like a delicious appetizer that entices readers to indulge in the full course of your book. Remember, a captivating cover can make potential readers stop and take a closer look. Visualize your book cover as the window display of a bakery. A mouth-watering cake showcased behind the glass attracts passersby to step inside and explore more. Similarly, a captivating book cover is the first step to catching a reader's attention. Just like a bakery's display, your cover should hint at the delightful content waiting inside your book. Number 4. Hook readers with your content. Your book's content is the heart of your creation, much like the main course in a meal. Just as a well-prepared dish keeps diners engaged throughout their meal, your content should captivate readers from start to finish. Take them on a journey, pique their curiosity, and give them a reason to keep turning the pages. By crafting compelling content, you ensure that readers not only start your book, but also enjoy the entire experience. Think of your book's content as a carefully crafted recipe. Each chapter is like a distinct flavor that contributes to the overall taste. Just like a skilled chef balances different ingredients to create a harmonious dish, you should structure your book's content to keep readers engaged and craving more. Consider each chapter a new course in your literary feast. Number 5. Plan your marketing. Publishing your book without marketing is like throwing a party but not sending out invitations. It's important to let people know your book exists. You can go the paid route by using Amazon's advertising tools, which is like putting up posters in popular spots. If you're on a budget, think of social media as your megaphone to announce your book launch. Additionally, using relevant keywords is like putting up signposts guiding readers to your book in the vast world of online shopping. Picture your book launch as a grand opening of a new restaurant. You want to create a buzz and attract customers. Paid advertising is akin to distributing flyers and banners around the town to draw attention. On the other hand, using social media is like inviting friends and acquaintances to the launch party. By using keywords, you're ensuring that potential readers easily find their way to your book's restaurant. By learning from others, creating captivating visuals, engaging content, and effectively spreading the word about your book, you'll set yourself up for success in the world of Amazon KDP. Remember, just like a skilled chef perfects each dish, you can refine your book publishing strategy to achieve the most delicious results. Now, let's avoid common mistakes. Number 1. Quality first. It might be tempting to write many books quickly, but quality matters more. Think of it like cooking. Making many rushed meals won't be as satisfying as one carefully prepared feast. Number 2. Balance matters. Imagine a car with a powerful engine but poor brakes. Your book is like that car. Every part needs to work well. A great cover is like a shiny car body, but if the engine or the content isn't good, readers won't enjoy the ride. Number 3. Try different roads. Amazon KDP is one road, but there are others. You can have your own website or use social media. It's like having many paths to reach the same destination. Don't rely on just one route. By understanding these steps and avoiding mistakes, you can shine on Amazon KDP. Ready to seize your slice of Amazon's prosperity? Step into the world of Profitability Plus today. Let us lead you in crafting books that resonate with readers. Elevate your Amazon KDP journey and transform your aspirations into reality. And here's the secret sauce. Subscribing to our channel fuels more of these invaluable insights your way. Your support empowers us to create videos that truly help you succeed. Plus, don't miss out on exploring our treasure trove of online money-making methods by checking out our other videos. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where your passions pave the way to profits. Join hands with thriving Amazon sellers on a path to financial independence. Together, we'll supercharge your potential for earnings. Let's embark on this rewarding journey side by side.